Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with today's fun cocktail. Let me introduce you to gin, mint, and lemon, and this is going to be the Southside. Hope you guys like it. Please stay here with me, and let me show you how to do it. All right, so for those gin lovers, as myself, this is going to be a very refreshing cocktail for one of those nice hot days, you guys. So this is a really nice, cool combination of a lemon juice with a mint, a little bit of simple syrup, and gin and club soda. Nothing out of the planet, but actually it has, a couple things that they're going to be very, very, very tasty for all of you guys too who loves gin. So if you allow me, please, let's start building our cocktail. Let's go for 2 ounces of gin. And followed by 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now, depending if you like your cocktail sweet or semi-sweet, you go for a 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce. Because I'm using a tall glass, I want to say that I want to use 3/4 ounce. And we're gonna grab some 4 or 5 mint leaves. Let's give it the proper slap in it. And let's put some ice. You don't have to muddle if you don't want to, because you don't want a mojito. What you want is just to get some of the oils of the mint and just mix it with the gin. That is gonna blend very well, along with the lemon juice. So let's give it a shake, you guys. Ooh, this smells amazing. All right, let's fill up. Let's grab a couple mint leaves in there. Let's put some more ice. And let's do a double strain. Now, let's top this guy with some club soda. And I hope you remember, guys, how to come up with this full peel. Remember, you're gonna cut the edges, kind of like stick your tip of your knife sideways, just from the sides. Creating enough space to stick your bar spoon, kind of like detach the meat from the actual peel. Both sides, grab your knife, cut long ways, and voila, comes completely off. So this is a nice part, you're just gonna roll it up. I usually discharge the first one. Second one is just a perfect round peel. Let's get some oils. And let's finish it with a baby mint spring. Presentation is always going to be one of the pluses on these cocktails. So make sure that you have your nice cocktail like this. And there you have it, you guys. The Southside with the gin. I hope you guys enjoy it. And cheers.